So this is going to be a review and wash day of Tabitha Brown's very own hair care line, her shampoo and conditioner. So if you are interested to see the results of that, please stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. It's CammyJOfficial, so let's start the show. My name is Cammy. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get right to the video.
So we are starting off on dirty hair. This is a old twist out. It's 2 weeks old, and it is definitely time for wash day. So the first thing I always like to do before I put any type of shampoo or conditioner in my hair is always make sure my hair is saturated through and through. This is just going to be crucial to making sure that the shampoo can definitely do its thing. So I'm just going to make sure that all sections of my hair are completely dripping and soaking wet so we can have a good wash day. So right now I'm going to start off with the shampoo, and this is Tabitha Brown's Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. This retails for $15, and for $15 you get 8 ounces. So that is how the texture looks. And y'all, I had to smell it because once I saw sweet potato, I said, does it smell like sweet potato? And baby, it does. I don't know how Aunty Tab did it, but this really does smell like sweet potato pie, like sweet potato, cinnamon, vanilla. So if you want to smell like you were eating dessert in the shower, then this is definitely going to be a shampoo for you. Now, the directions stated to start off by concentrating the shampoo on the scalp, and I definitely followed those directions. Okay, don't come for me and be like, you didn't read the directions. I did. And once you do the scalp, then it says you can bring the remainder of the lather down the rest of your hair, which is what I'm doing. And I can still like run my hands and my fingers through my hair. And because I can do that, that is a sign to me that this shampoo is not going to give me tangles. And that has happened to me in the past. I've used shampoos and they have done nothing but tangle my hair even worse than it was tangled before. So now you're going to see me rinse this out of my hair, and I'm just going through making sure that I'm feeling my hair, feeling how the texture feels. And y'all, you can see I'm making some faces because my hair is like giving me resistance when pulling the shampoo out of it and running the shampoo out. And that is because my hair is like squeaky clean. Like, y'all know when you use like Dawn dish detergent and then you run your hands over the dishes and how like your hands just squeak across it? My hair felt squeaky like that, squeaky clean. So that is one thing to bear in mind when it does come to this shampoo, that it gave me that like squeaky clean feeling. And my hair definitely did not feel very soft, but I'm going to keep going and giving it more of a try. So I am just going to twist my hair up and get it out the way to make sure it doesn't tangle or anything else throughout this process. So now that that is out the way, I'm going to move on to a bigger section. And again, the shampoo is very creamy. I will give it that. It does say it's creamy and it does smell bomb. Again, I don't know how she did it, but it really does smell like a straight up sweet potato pie. So again, with this section, I did start at the scalp first as the directions instructed, making sure I'm getting my scalp nice and clean, building up that lather. And what I can say is this definitely does have a very nice lather, and I love a shampoo that gives me a good lather, y'all. So once that lather has built up, I will then take the rest of the lather and I will bring it down the rest of my hair, just like the directions say to do, and that will get my hair clean as well. Just running it through and working it in, making sure that it's touching every single hair strand because I want my hair to be clean. And again, just showing you guys that I can still run my hair through it so it is not giving me super tangles at all. So after I have done that section, I'm once again going to wash it out. Now, what's interesting, it does say that this is a moisturizing shampoo, and I don't know about that. I'm going to have to be 100% honest. I don't know about that. I don't think so. My hair doesn't really feel very moisturized. Again, because I'm getting that super squeaky resistant type feeling. If anything, it made my hair feel a little, I don't know, moisturized. When I think of moisture, I feel like hair would be soft. I feel like those are two words that would pair together, like moisturize and soft. So maybe because it's not soft to me, I don't really feel like it's giving my hair that, you know, that moisture. But again, we're going to see. I'm going to make sure to give it like my best try so we can see. So I'm twisting that out of the way, and now we're going to move on to the conditioner. So this is the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. This is also $15, and you get 8 ounces with this as well. So I'm going to take about that much, giving it another sniff. And guys, this smells exactly like the shampoo. So again, if you are down with sweet potatoes, you want to smell like you're eating, you know, sweet potato pie in the shower, this is definitely going to be a go-to scent wise for you. It is not a harsh or crazy smell. So I took that conditioner and I'm making sure to work it in my hair very well. I never let the conditioner just sit and do one pass. Nope, we are going to work that into the strands and we're going to massage it in. Once I've massaged that into the hair, I am going to split the hair and then I am going to twist it down. I don't wash conditioner out immediately. I like to let it sit just for a little bit to get that conditioner going, and so I can move on to the rest of the hair. So I'm going to move on to a bigger section. I took about a little bit more than I took at the first time, and I'm going to work that into the hair, really making sure I am massaging it in, running it through my hair, running it in between my hair, and just making sure I feel it saturating my strands, and I can run my fingers through. So one thing I can say about this is, even though I didn't have to put a whole lot in there, like you guys can see in my twist, you see a lot of that conditioner. So it does stretch when you put it on hair that is wet. So that is one positive, and I used everything that I could. Any residue I'm putting back in my hair, because baby, we are not wasting this $15 worth of conditioner. Okay, so I am doing the same process on this back section of the hair, running it through, making sure that I'm getting that conditioner worked in to the best of my abilities. And when that is done, I'm going to twist it up, let it sit, and get it out of the way. But yeah, definitely smells really, really good. So this is my full head of hair completed with all the conditioner in. Now we are going to move to the detangling part. Now, to be fair, this conditioner said nothing about detangling, but I feel like if I'm going to spend $15 on a conditioner, I want to see and fully test if this is going to be able to detangle my hair. And I cannot lie to you guys, it took me a very long time to detangle my hair, a lot longer than it takes when I use any other conditioner that I currently use. Currently, I really like using the Wakati conditioner, and it worked a lot faster. But eventually, after much trying, I was able to get the comb to go through, and I was able to detangle the hair. And look at that, barely any hair came out. So okay, going good there. So I was able to eventually detangle, but again, it took a very long time. I did grab my wet brush because I do like to smooth my hair afterwards, just making sure that I give it the most thorough detangle that I can while I'm in the shower, especially because after this I did do a twist out with 2 more of her products, which you'll see in the next video coming up. But once I was able to get it thoroughly detangled, the brush could go through and in. So I did try it on another section, and it was pretty much the same story, y'all. The conditioner definitely felt like my hair was conditioned, but as far as detangling goes, there are conditioners out there that are a lot cheaper, offer you a lot more product for the price, and detangle a lot better. But after a while, if you can, you know, sit through it and dedicate a lot more time to detangling, you know, the end result was I still was able to detangle, but not as easily and not efficiently and not as effectively as with other ones. So I really hope that she comes out with a detangling conditioner in this sweet potato line, because I feel like that would be bomb. But for detangling, that was not it. For me, honestly. So now I am washing the conditioner out of my hair, and I will be honest about this part. My hair does feel very soft, very moisturized, and very smooth. So the conditioner, she did condition. Even though she's not great at detangling, she does have other qualities that we can lean on. And I dare say my hair felt almost as if it was deep conditioned. And I don't know if it's because I left it in there, you know, over the course of me detangling my whole head of hair, but it did feel really good at that time when I was going through it and, you know, conditioning it and getting it through. So it does feel good. My hair does feel soft. All in all, I will say that the shampoo and the conditioner were effective. My hair was able to get clean, squeaky clean at that, and my hair after using the conditioner felt conditioned. The only drawback to it was I really wish that the conditioner had more slip so I could detangle a lot better and faster, but I would definitely say give this a try, especially to support Aunt Tabitha, right? She's doing big things. As you can see, my hair and my scalp and edges are really clean. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that notification bell so you know whenever I post more videos. But stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for joining me. Bye.